Good morning to all. I am Kundi Behera, Department of Mechanical Engineering at Orissa School of Engineering, Bantapalli. Today we discuss about the thermodynamic system or thermodynamic. Thermodynamic is the combination of two words. First one is thermo and second one is dynamic. Thermo means energy and dynamic means transformation or interaction. The definition of thermodynamic is the branch of engineering science which deals with the energy interaction between system and surrounding. What is system? System means anything under the consideration or anything under the analysis. In a college we consider a single room, particular room. This room is called system, or this is the room, this is called system. And anything external to the system, this is called surrounding. System and surrounding between the system and surrounding. This separated is called boundary. This can separate system to the surrounding. That's all. Next we go types of system. Systems are three types. First one is open system. Open system. What is open system? Open system means in the open system mass and energy both can be transferred or exchanged. How? In a container, under the container have a water. We give the container heat, then water can be evaporated. That's why both mass can be transferred and energy or heat can be transferred. In the open system, both mass and energy can be transferred. Next one is example of open system and is nozzle. Next one is closed system. Closed system. In the closed system, only energy can be transferred, but mass cannot be transferred. How? We also take a container. The container can be closed. We give heat to the container. Under the container have water. We give the container heat. It can be outside the container. The heat or the energy can be transferred, but the mass cannot be transferred or the water cannot be evaporated outside the system. Next we go isolated system. In the isolated system, both energy and mass cannot be transferred. How? Thermoflask. A thermoflask completely or well insulated. Then we give it have water or coffee or tea. Outside the thermoflask, it cannot be energy transfer or mass cannot be transferred. in the isolated system. Next we go thermodynamic equilibrium. Thermodynamic thermodynamic equilibrium means it satisfies three equilibrium. What are the three equilibriums? First one is thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium. Second one is mechanical equilibrium. And third one is chemical equilibrium. What is thermal equilibrium? Thermal equilibrium means equality of temperature. What is equality temperature? In a container we give same temperature both sides. One side gives 20 degrees, so another side we also give 20 degrees. So both are equal. So I call it is thermal equilibrium or thermodynamic. Thermal equilibrium. Next we go mechanical equilibrium. Mechanical equilibrium means equality of pressure or force. What is equality of force or pressure? Same body we next both sides we give force 20 kilonewton. This is equal 20. This is called mechanical equilibrium or equality of force. So it is called mechanical equilibrium. Next we go chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium means no chemical reaction between the in this system, no chemical reaction. Next we go this three equilibrium has satisfied, then we call this is thermodynamic equilibrium. Next we go the properties of the thermodynamic. What are the properties? Properties, how we know this is the property or this is not the properties? Characteristics of a system that can be measured. If this is the system, the system have temperature, pressure, next color, next taste, next smell. We can measure temperature. This is I call 30 degree, 20 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree. Also pressure 30 kilopascal or 40 kilopascal. We measure the pressure, or color cannot be measured. So properties of the system is that I or we can measure, that is the properties. Properties are two types. First one is intensive property and second one is extrinsic property. Intensive property and second one is extrinsic property. Intensive property independent to the mass or independent to the size. Intensive property cannot be depend any size, but extrinsic property always depend on the size of the system. In intensive property we example like but temperature, pressure. This is in the part of intensive property. But in extrinsic property, mass, volume, depend to the size of the system, but this cannot be depend any type of size of the system. Thank you.